Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest in the world of technology and personal care. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most recommended products for men's grooming, the Braun Series 9 Electric Shaver Replacement Head, the 92S. If you're using a Braun Series 9 shaver, this replacement head is an essential upgrade to maintain peak performance. Let's take a closer look at why this product stands out. First off, this replacement head is designed to keep your Braun Series 9 shaver working like new. It features 5 shaving elements that are perfectly synchronized, ensuring an efficient and precise shave with every stroke. With each pass, the 92S head can effortlessly cut through millions of hairs, making it one of the best options available for a smooth and comfortable shave. Whether you're tackling stubble or a full beard, the 92S replacement head is engineered to provide a perfect shave in just one stroke. Another feature that sets the Braun Series 9 apart is its craftsmanship. Made in Germany, the 92S replacement head is built to last, offering both quality and durability. Braun recommends replacing your shaver's foil and cutter block every 18 months to maintain optimal performance. Over time, your shaver's cutting parts may wear down from cutting an average of 6 million hairs, which can lead to a less efficient shave. Replacing the head ensures you keep getting the best possible shave every time. What's really convenient about the 92S head is its simple replacement process. You don't need to be a tech expert to swap it out. Just click the new head into place, and you're good to go. No complicated steps, just a straightforward solution to keep your razor at its best. So if you're looking to maintain the efficiency of your Braun Series 9 shaver, the 92S replacement head is a must-have. It's easy to install, and with Braun's recommendation of replacing the head every 18 months, this ensures your shaver is always up to the task. If you want to experience the best shave possible with your Braun Series 9 shaver, upgrading to the 92S replacement head is an investment in quality and performance. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on all your favorite grooming tools and products. See you next time.